Okay, reporting from Jollibee, Limay, Bataan. Day 4 na kami sa Jollibee, Gyapon.
Where are we again? Huh?
Jollibee.
Again? How many times did you go to Jollibee?
One time.
One time lang?
Yeah, one time.
It's like every day you're coming to Jollibee. Do you come to Jollibee every day?
Ho, kundi dako pinang tuso-tuso.
I got you.
Jollibee's wing.
Yes, you see it.
Yeah, Jollibee. I like Jollibee.
Huh?
I like Jollibee.
Yes.
Pagkatapos naman mag-Jollibee, nang hold up na naman kami kay Tito Jojo.
Tito Jojo. Tito Jojo. Hold up. Give me some.
Hold up.
Yatos.
Some piatos. Oh, the piatos is there now on the plastic, inside the plastic. Huh?
Apple juice.
Wow, it's apple juice, yes. Huh? Ito?
This.
Which one? Ah, sito ba?
Give me this one.
Okay, puto na si Tito Jojo.
I want.
Bili nga po.
Bago kami nagpuli, may nagyan kaming malunggay pandesal. So, being manol ako, nagbakal man ko Nami man siya. Tagdos isa.
Yum. Matami ito.
Pagabot naman sa balay, Ate Tash pa rin The next day.
Sakto din sa maulan yung panahon, no? Happy birthday, Mama Nene. Dali na, sing na. Oh, kiss. Kiss Mama Nene and ano, hug. Oh.
Your papa will take a picture. Say happy birthday.
Dali na, kiss na.
Oh, you kiss.
Oh, grabe naman.
Bisan gabagyo, go lang basta birthday ni Mama. Mas-celebrate kita sa SM Clark.
12 seconds later.
After 6 years, nagkita na ginawan kami dahil TLMK. Di daw close sila pero first time pa lang nila magkita.
Papa. I don't know how to sing.
Thank you very much. May ako.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, asa na lang diri. Happy birthday liwat Mama Nene.